Upgrades that we install throughout our units and our buildings will include things like LED lighting, new technology such as digital locks, Alexas, Nest thermostats, USB outlets, really awesome tech packages throughout the inside of our units, as well as in many cases granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, new luxury vinyl tile flooring, tiled bathrooms, new kitchens with soft closed doors in many cases, handles, backsplashes, beautiful spray hoses, new plumbing fixtures. And let me tell you what, the plumbing fixtures are so critical because they also play another role. Not only are they beautiful, aesthetically pretty and pleasing, but they also mitigate our administrative costs, delivering better results on NOI. So ultimately delivering higher returns to our investor partners. So it's not only about what we're putting in, but it's why we're putting it in, right? So it's those that luxury vinyl tile that serves a purpose that turns and that mitigates the cost on carpet cleanings. We no longer have such a line item, and that's amazing. In our common areas, we'll do creative things like do epoxy installations throughout the flooring. Very low maintenance, high quality, high foot traffic capable products. We'll do creative things like epoxy flooring systems, as well as modernizing elevator systems. We do common areas for our residents, which may include gaming areas, TVs, monitors at the entry points, common internet, wireless internet accessibility for our residents.